can be difficult to feel comfortable when the cold finds you, but now you have a versatile option that can truly adapt to your space. Introducing the Honeywell VersaHeat, a 2-in-1 heater and fan beautifully designed for safe use in the bathroom. Created to fit seamlessly in small to medium-sized spaces, the 2-position heater design and fan-only mode maximizes versatility. Take comfort in knowing Honeywell heaters deliver enhanced safety features from the inside out. The Honeywell VersaHeat, the heater specifically designed to fit your bathroom and your lifestyle.
Warm up and save energy on chilly days with the Elite Collection Ceramic Tower Heater with remote control from Lasko. Its automatic electronic thermostat Auto Eco feature maintains comfort while using less energy. With 3 heat settings, high, medium, and low, you can control your comfort level with a touch of a button. And it comes with a convenient remote so you can adjust your heat level, the 8-hour auto-off timer mode, and other heater functions from anywhere in the room. Built-in safety features include a tip-over safety switch, cool-to-the-touch exterior, a safe ceramic heating element, and automatic overheat protection. Feel the power of 1,500 watts of comforting warmth with the Elite Collection Ceramic Tower Heater with remote control from Lasko.
The Honeywell TurboForce heater fan provides powerful heat circulation. Electronic controls make choosing your ideal personal comfort level easy. And different from most heaters in the market, the TurboForce heater offers you the ability to customize how heat is delivered into your room. Pivot down to heat you directly. Pivot up to circulate powerful heat throughout the room. Set on narrow oscillation for 1 or 2 people, or wide to share the heat with your friends and family. This heater also features above industry standard safety features, including 2 levels of overheat protection, a tip-over cutoff switch, thermal insulated wiring, cool touch plastic housing, and a built-in carrying handle. This heater includes Safeguard Auto Off, an industry-first feature that when engaged will automatically shut the heater off after 8 hours of use, or you can choose to run it continuously. This heater is built for on-demand comfort and peace of mind. With the TurboForce heater, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the heat.